Welcome to the End Content Co. YouTube channel. On this channel, you'll find a variety of content revolving around technology. We believe in transparent reviews. We want to hold companies accountable for the claims they make. This video is not sponsored. Today we are reviewing the Sperax Walking Pad, under the desk treadmill. This walking pad comes with a remote and a tool to make sure it is level on the ground. We do want you to know that the remote does not come with batteries and it takes two AAA batteries. The listing price is $299.99, but we received this on a Prime Day deal. Right now, on Amazon, it is $199.99 and has a $20 coupon available. This walking pad weighs 45 pounds and is 48 inches long, 19.6 inches wide, and 4.6 inches tall. It can hold up to 320 pounds. We find it makes minimum noise and feels stable. The max speed is 4 miles per hour. We tend to walk at a 2.0 pace while working, but the noise does not increase when we go faster while watching TV or other activities. The screen cycles through the time duration, speed, calories, and distance. When you turn the walking pad on, it automatically starts at a speed of 0.6. When you turn off the walking pad, it gradually slows down for you to continue walking safely. Moving the walking pad is easy and not too heavy. It has wheels on the front that allow you to tilt the walking pad and move it with little effort. Now let's get into the review. For design, we give the walking pad 3 stars. The display does have images for the duration, speed, calories, and distance, but they are hard to see. There are wheels to easily move the walking pad, which is a bonus since the walking pad is heavy. We believe there was a missed opportunity to light up the red accents. For utility, we give the walking pad 4 stars. It is quiet and very stable for normal use. We have not tried to run on it because this is not our intention, but believe it would be possible. We like that it tracks your time, distance, calories, and speed. It is slightly off when using your Apple Watch to compare these metrics, but in general, you wouldn't need to have a smartwatch to track these if you didn't want to. For value, we give the walking pad 3 stars. We do believe this is a more expensive walking pad unless you get it on a deal. We will only recommend purchasing this one if you find it on sale. It is worth the sale price but could use more improvements to be worth $300. Thank you for watching this video. Do you have a walking pad? Tell us in the comments below. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel to be eligible for upcoming giveaways. We are currently shooting for 500 subscribers. If we get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, a lucky winner will be receiving a brand new iPhone 15. We will see you in our next video.